stand now for a prayer? No, dito ko ba? Let us pray.
Dear Father in heaven, your children are there before you. We offer you today all we do think and see. Please give light to our minds so that we could understand our lessons. Help us to live obedient and fruitful. Help us to love one another because we are all your children. Bless us all, our teachers, our parents, in our country, and bring us all to heaven.
Morning class.
Good morning, Sir Paul.
You now take your seats. Who are absent today? What's Bidel? Who are absent today? Huh? Direction. Okay, very good. Okay, so last time that we will talking about this is the last time. It's all about speed and velocity. But today that we will proceed into the line graph and slope. So let's have a short review. So everybody read? So now we will discuss about how to draw and describe the line graph. Understand? And also, okay, everybody read?
Define a slope and give its formula.
So now I will give you the formula of the slope, especially sa line graph. Okay, so what is the one ng line graph or slope? So there are the other concept related to the distance time graph. So line graph is a type of graph that shows change data and particular time. Ano sa ba kayo? Mina mo? And also, slope describes the steepness of a line. So, it is the example of a, kita ninyo? It is the example of line graph. And also, one is an example sa slope. Like nasa ay flatted or direction, distance. And then, what is line graph or slope? Okay. Ito siya isa-isahon. So, everybody read about the line graph.
Set of x and y axis, each representing a distinct variable, and in this case, just one axis will represent one coordinate and another coordinate.
So, line graph is consists what? Consists y and x axis. So, I will show you a example of line graph. So, it is the example of line graph. Then, ano ito makita ang y-axis and x-axis?
Y sa tabaw.
Y is nasa ibabaw. Then, x-axis nasa ubos. Or nadire siya. But, one axis will represent values for distance and the other for time. So, as you can see, asa makita ito ang distance ani? Sa ito ang line graph. Ha? Boy, sa taba. Asa makita? Dito sa boy sa taba. Ha? Asa ito makita ang kwan? Ang distance and time. Boys. Ha? Sige. Very good. So, ubos ang? Sige, so the distance is for the y. So it is our distance. Ha? Wala itong distance ha? Basta ang distance gani, when you say distance, the unit is, sa may nasa distance? Meter? Yes? Meter. Ito ba yun? Ha? Millimeter and kilometer. How about So, the unit of time is seconds. Hour and minute. So, it is a line graph. So, mo ni siyang line graph class. Isabtan ba? Ha? Mo ni ang tawag nga line graph. And then, what is the slope? So, kung may slope, so okay, everybody read?
It shows the change in the y and x coordinates of dotted points in the graph. It is usually represented by the mathematical expression slope of the line. It is called rise over run, wherein the rise is the change in the y coordinates and the run is the change in the x.
So, may mag slope class that describe the steepness. So, makita nyo na ang kalahian sa distance of time. Pag-atras ang itotal. Then, slope that have represent into the mathematical expression which is the m. So, I will give you the formula of slope. So, ganito dire. So, the slope is slope or the mathematical expression line which is m. Lima. Then, sa m is equals to sa rise over run. So, what we're going to do is m is equals sa rise over run. Then, sige, sasaw na to. Then, rise over run. Where is the rise change in the y-axis? So, as we can see into the line graph, rise is siya wherein the y-axis. So, mo ni ato ang rise. Mo itong rise. Then ang run, din. Ang run is our x coordinate. So, mo ni ito ang run. Saktan, slope. Mo na ito ang rise. Boys sa taba. Saktan. Then, mo na ito ang run. So, it means where is the rise change in y coordinates and the run is x coordinates. So, what we're going to do is rise over run equals y coordinate or bitawag to y1 ng final position and initial position. So, what that is y minus 1 over time final position minus time 1. Sumali ang formula sa slope. Or m. Ay, ito nyo galit niya because it is important. Boys, sabtan ninyo? Sabtan nila? Ito sa man, ninyo. Sige na, may mag-quiz na karon. Sige. Masa kayong formula sa akong ganit, slope? Which is m equals
Rise over run.
or y2 or minus y1.
Minus x1.
So, maghanap ko og example dire. Diya, tumataw example sa line graph and slope. So, natay direction dire. Di paminaw. Ang ato ang ni-plot sa dire og ana. Sige. Mira. Ito ang number.
Iban din ang number, sir. Ay, naman po din ang number dito. Sa grade ba?
Sige, lang. So, mag-plot na dire og dire ito ang plot. Sige, paminaw. Dire ito plot. So, ato ang final position is the ilang? number 2. Kaya itong initial position is, asa mga gikan ang atuang 1?
Sa zero.
Ang 1 is sa 0, which is nasa dire. So, saan ito sa pag-solve? Using the slope. So, gamitin ito ang formula. Sige, paminaw. So, yung formula gani? No, dapat mag-solve mo yung dapat gani. King, rise, over, run, equals, minus, 1. Very good. So, sa itong buhaton, ilagay ito ang final position. It is the 2. Ay, 2. Minus, ilang? 0. So, kinsa ito sa 2 meter lang kahit isa gani? Distance. Dapat na 2 meter. Minus 0 meter. How about ito ang time, boys? Sa ito ang time. Kailan na ito ang final position? Which is? 2. So, sa time gani? Seconds. Minus, kailan ito initial? 0. So, may buhat ko na is 0 na 5. Ato siya is minus. So, 2 meter minus 0 meter. 2 meters. Then, 2 seconds minus 0 seconds. Ilan? 2 seconds. So, buhat ko to is 2 divide 2 equals 1. So, sa mga unit? Meter per second. So, kinaura pag solve sa slope. Pagka ninyo? Ha? Yes, sir? Review mo na. How about sa boys? Pagka ninyo? Andre, kataba. Ha? Sige na. Sige, how about if nanak po dito ang tuwang 1? Atuang final position natin. Yan yan kong flat. Iko-flat sa dito. Kung sa itong button, okay, paminaw. Kita na dito ang flat. So, A equals rise over run, then tornation. Then, over so, sa itong button, natin siya. Ha? Dala sa ang mga itong final position. Which is ang 3. More itong final position. So, the button is 3 meters minus itong initial position. Ha? 0 na ba? Nanang tayo po dali. This is the 2 meters. And then, atong time. Ilan man? 3 seconds minus ilan itong initial position? 2 seconds. So, what ito is? Minus ang gapon siya. 3 minus 1. 1. Then 1 meters. Then 2 minus 1. 1 seconds. Then what ito is? 1 divided by 1. 1 meter per second. So, sakta na ba ninyo? Ang slope and 1 ng line graph. So, sige, tawagin niya. Kinay nga. Line graph. And then, pa-if natin what is slope? Yes, very good. So, now, so it is the formula of line by slope. So, but before that, I will show you a description of a car. So, ito may nakita niyo sa picture. May truck? May tao? Then how about sa mga dots niya? Slope? Sige, so, the question is, now. So, what can you say about, yan ang mga tao na. Sige, basta ang question, number 1.
What can you say about the distance between the units that represent the covered distance per unit time?
ano, balik kong kwan. Track. So what can you say about the distance of a dot? Ano natatawa mo na? Ha? Depende. Kasi nakita niyo siyang distance. Ha? Na distance? Isa. Kaya ba sila kalagyo ng distance or dili? Ha? Ito ba? Stand up? Ha? Yes. Kaya sila kalayon. Ang ilang distance sa dot. Yes. Kaya na kalayon. Yan ang kwadya dra. Yan di mo minaw. Okay. So what can you say about the distance? So it is the same. So the same lang ilang distance, no? Ang ilang mga dots. How about this question? Okay.
What happened to the distance as time increased?
What happens this time? Huh? The distance is increase. Yes, very good. And how about that?
What can you say about the motion of the car?
So sa may nakita niyo sa motion na to sa car?
Maliligo.
Maliligo?
Wala.
So actually, the motion of the car is a constant because ang iyang distance sa mga dot is the same lang, pareha. So, the motion of the car is isa. Same or constant. How about the question number 4? Okay, kasi mo skate sa distance time graph. Okay, we'll give you points. Okay, mo skate sa distance time graph. Sketch. Oh, isa. Oh, marami distance time graph. Oh, yes. Okay, kasi mo 1. Ha? Ikaw. Yan, tiklat mo. Okay. How to sketch distance time graph? Paano ba? Dire, tikas, dire. Dire, ito, dire. Dire, dire, pag-ibig mo. Dire. Sali mo pag-sketch sa distance time graph. Sila niya, reserve ka. Ayun na, okay. Sali mo pag-sketch. Oh, yes. Pinahanaw sa pamadala. Time graph. Ano sa balong yan ah? Sakta naman yung ang line graph and slope. Ha? Kung take care na dire. Kasi nasaktan. Diya.
Time sa X.
Kung sa kayo sabot sa y-axis gani, it is
Distance.
distance. And the x-axis is our time. Yes. Then, kung sa kayo siya dili gani, this is a slope. Dili ka part. Tawag siya of
Y-axis.
y-axis or the rise. No, yes. How about sa run? X.
Run.
Yes, the run. Yes, very good. So, mali ang mga answer, no? So, but before that, let's have an activity about word search. Understand? So, I will give you a worksheet. Okay, so instruction is, okay, everybody ready?
Identify the defenders connected to motion, especially displacement and velocity.
Okay, so I will give you a worksheet. Yes, dito mga sir, na yung pangalan name. Isa na yung instruction nila, basahin ninyo. Ano na, boys? Okay, pass it to your. Sige, ang buhaton ninyo is, nasa sa instruction. Search for the word that can refer to the scramble letter. Yes. So, scramble letter in the box below. There are 6 total words. So, nice total words lang. You must find in the box. All words can be related of motion. So, mga words na is, makita nyo, can be related of the motion. So, itong mga related sa motion yung mga words gani. Which is, yung mga about sa motion. Distance. So, good. Speed. Sa. Velocity. So, good. There are 6, kuha na siya. There are 6 degree. Wala siya, degrees nila. There are 6 words. Yes, okay. Isaya ninyo. Yes. Once you identify the words, write anything that you know about it. 6. Nada sa instructions.
Sir, 9 meter per second.
Sige, ano siya?
Ang word, sir, is not time nga.
Yes, sa ubos ito sulat.
Linginan pa, sir?
Yes, ganyan.
Kuha na nilo eh. Di, uy. Tanaw ra. O, napiskit. Kuha na ako. Kasi na, napiskit. Kami na kita understand? Sa loper.
Sama,
Ay,
pinagpilihan mo na.
sloper. Slope there. Slope.
Basta na, 6 words na lang. Makita na.
May naiintrap dili na.
ha. Ibutay yung pangalan na. Sino?
Ilang ang bulag sa meter?
Yes, compare na siya. Yes. Sino? May magsaba. Bilidan? Okay, masih.
Sir, di na sila to.
Ano wala may pangalan ng uban? Write your name to the name. Nice how yung pangalan. Now, we done?
Así para chocolate. Siya maganda. Ikaw rin. Diretso. Kenlo.
Okay, pasa na.
Hindi na lang mo.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Ay, manison.
Last 2 minutes na nga. Ano yung grip na uban? Hindi ko na rin coach. Ano? Good na.
Sir, mga sa sila. Pa! Ikaw po.
Saba. Last 1 minute. Sa mga na. Subak your sis.
Pero ang story ko
Ito
niya.
yung uban.